Welcome to Gadget Spares. Today I have this JBL GO Bluetooth speakers motherboard, original JBL GO's Bluetooth speakers motherboard. This is harvested from working original JBL GO Bluetooth speaker. This is harvested for the purpose of doing DIY projects. So this is the motherboard of JBL GO and this is the original Philips speaker which is of 3 watts 4 ohms. Let me show you the size of the speaker using the scale. So the size of the speaker is 2.5 inches. This is very good speaker. This is not local speaker. This is harvested from new Philips speaker. So you can use this speaker with this motherboard easily. It is very good compatible and this motherboard works in 3.7 volts. Any amperes you can use. As of now I have two options. This is of 3000 mAh battery, the left one with 3.7 volts, and this is the 3.7 volts 1500 mAh. So I am going to connect any of the battery here to show the demo. You can make the boxes by yourself. The main purpose of this video is to do DIY with the branded JBL GO. Usually there is not even a single video I have seen who is selling this JBL motherboards, branded motherboards. I have seen so many videos with local motherboards which is available in the local market, but this is original JBL GO's motherboard which is harvested from working JBL GO Bluetooth speaker. So this has mic here. Let me give you the small review of this motherboard before doing DIY here. I'm just going to connect and show how it works. So first of all, there are 5 buttons here. So this first button is on off button. You can turn on and turn off this speaker. This is the second button which is Bluetooth pairing button. The third one is volume minus and the fourth one is volume plus. And this is to attend and disconnect the call if you get, because this has mic here. You can see this is the mic. And you can even do Google voice assistance by using continuously pressing this fifth button. And you can use this as well for Apple Siri. This will work for Apple Siri as well. So here this is the charging port. This is the micro USB charging port to charge the battery. From this place you can charge the battery, and this is the auxiliary input. You can connect, you can use this using auxiliary input without Bluetooth. This has built-in Bluetooth. So this is around 3 watts motherboard, and the speaker is also 3 watts. So don't judge by the wattage, because this is JBL GO. The clarity and the quality of the sound is not compromised here. This will be wonderful for the price for your DIY projects. So now I am going to show you how to connect this speaker and battery and how to use. So this one more thing I have missed. This is the LED which glows when it is turned on and turn off, and this is battery indicator also. This LED, while charging you can see the light will be in different color. I will show you once I have connected this. Let me set this up. So let me connect with this battery. As of now I am going to connect with this 18650. So this has 3 wires. One is plus, one is minus, and one is to check the temperature. So in this motherboard, I'm coming close up here, these 3 points. So you can see these 3 leads are battery connection. This is plus, this plus is red color of the battery, this is white color of the battery, and this is the black negative of the battery will go. I will solder these 3 first. So I am keeping this for safety reasons, because I am going to solder here. So first I am going to connect this black here. Now I am going to connect white, and then red. So now it will turn on. You can see the blue light is glowing here. I have turned off. So now I am going to connect this speaker using this socket. Now when I turn on, sound will come. You can hear very mild sound will be there, because the speaker is not enclosed with box. So the sound will be very less. This turned on. Now I am going to press this pairing button. So this will blink fast. Here you can see. Now it's time to connect in the mobile. Let me show you. Now you can see JBL GO is here. I'm going to click that. It is paired now. Let me put some song. Let me play some song. Now I am going to play the song here. So you could have listened. The sound is very heavy with this speaker. So the DIY project will be very successful if you do this. So now I am going to show you. So this red color light here showing is battery is low because this is not charged. Now I am turning off this speaker. So when I charge here, just inserting this, the light will glow here, red color light will come. This means the battery is charging. That is clear. And even when you take this out, now I am turning on, it will be blue now. So while connecting this, you can see, you can notice this blue light will be changing its color. You can see now it is somewhat pinkish in color. That means battery is charging while it is playing. So let me show you one more functionality here. I will call my friend, one of my friend who is here only. I will call him and let's see how the mic works. Sound will come in the speaker. Now I am going to call.
Hello.
Hello sir, how are you?
I am good.
So can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Thank you sir, I was just checking my speaker here.
Done.
Alright sir, thank you.
Thank you.
So this was the sound quality. Even without box, the sound is very heavy. So this is the, if you receive the call, you can attend and disconnect from this button. And even if you continuously press this, it will activate the Google Siri or Google Voice Assistance. And even you can play and pause the song using this button.
Opening assistant.
See, I have pressed that. Now it is opening the assistance. So now I am going to play the song to show the play pause functionality here. So now I am increasing the volume here. The volume. Now the Bluetooth is connected. Now I am going to press this single press. It will start playing. You can see. Now I have pressed again, which is paused now. This is the volume up and volume down. I will show by playing the song. So this is the volume down. This is the volume up.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
Now I have turned off. So this is the beautiful speaker if you do as a DIY, because the size of the speaker is very big and the quality of the audio is uncompromised. It is very beautiful sound. As most of the people know how the JBL quality is. So this is the small demo. So now I am going to disassemble it. Alright, I will disassemble this later. Let me come to the point here. So if you want to buy this motherboard separately, I will give the price in the description. I will give the price in the description and in the title, hopefully. If you want to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. You can get this motherboard separately, or you can buy this with this battery or this battery or this speaker. You can buy this as a combination, or you can buy this battery with this motherboard and speaker as combination, or else you can buy this speaker or you can buy this Bluetooth speakers motherboard, JBL GO's Bluetooth speaker motherboard separately also, no problem. You can buy this separately as well. With mic you will get with this motherboard. I will give the price for this motherboard separately, and I will give the combination of this battery and this motherboard and the speaker 3 all together. I will give price in the description and in the title. Alright, I hope you like the video, because this is the rarest video. Nobody is selling in the YouTube like these branded motherboards. This is the first channel, Gadget Spares, which is selling this type of spare parts. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gadget Spares. And one point I wanted to tell, since we are starting this new channel, there is no option of cash on delivery. Full payment is required before buying this product. and this product is shipped through India Post anywhere in the pan India. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Gadget Spares and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.